Have you tried automatic placement?
You should really try automatic placements.
I know it's not the right time, but I think that we need to talk about automatic placements when you're done.
Flashback.
Automatic placements? How are you? I'm going to see you in a future video.
End of flashback.
Hello Facebook ads people, I'm Konstantinos and today we're going to discuss about the automatic placements. Why am I so negative about them? Okay, let's see, where should I start? Basically, automatic placements suck and don't use them. Use Facebook feeds and stories and Instagram feed and stories. And I'm talking mostly about conversion ads and lead generation ads. Nothing else works. Facebook just spends a small amount on the other placements if you use automatic placements and then optimizes to the ones I mentioned 2 seconds ago.
Can you prove it?
I had a way, but Facebook removed it. There is one thing that really bothers me the most. That the next time a Facebook representative talks to me about automatic placements, I won't be able to rub in their face the breakdown results of the placements showing that 3 or 4 placements actually work. The idea that I'm not able to do this anymore drives me crazy. Seriously. As time passes by and breakdown results aren't available, more and more will be convinced about using automatic placements. I even started using them in some of my small retargeting campaigns for testing. Just a clarification, the same way that I'm testing automatic placements even on my cold campaigns, the same thing you should do. And if it's working for you, it's okay. This video is all about make you think more about automatic placements and why Facebook is pushing them more. Okay, but at the end of the day, you will do what is the best for your own account. If you don't know anything about breakdown results and how to spot what is working and what isn't, go check my video of breakdown results. I will add the link below in the description and most probably you will be able to see it on the top of the screen. There is no doubt that I'm right. The $1 million question is, why does Facebook propose automatic placements instead of manual placements? Do you want the answer? For the money! Imagine this, we have an ad set that has auto placements, that means 13 crappy placements like in stream, in article, audience network, rewarded video or how it's being called, and 4 good ones, 17 in total. Facebook will spend 10 cents for the crappy ones, sometimes I have seen much more, but for the sake of the conversation, let's say only 10 cents. On the crappy ones, which means 1.3 USD spent in ad set for no reason. Now multiply this by all the ad sets that you will create. Not enough? Now multiply this by all the accounts that use automatic placements and let me tell you what, they are a lot. Imagine how much money Facebook is making just by proposing automatic placements. I would have done the same. Of course, it's spending just a small amount and then they say that, why do you worry? It's actually spending on the ones at optimizing that they're actually having better results. Well, I'm not worried. I just don't want you to take a small amount of my money each time that I run my ads. And if you're still not convinced, go for the ultimate test. Run campaigns without Facebook feed, Instagram feed, and Instagram and Facebook stories. And when you get 0 sales, come back to this video and say, Konstantinos, you were right. Because this is what is going to happen actually. Before we wrap up, Facebook, if I realize that this is the reason that you removed the breakdown of results, me and my subscribers, which are 183, we are coming after you. By the way, thank you for subscribing, subscribe now, and and something last. Now that we have Reels, I must say that I have tested Reels alone and they are not working. Okay, so not even when you break down the results on the automatic placements and see the spend, you can see that they are not working. So we still stick with the manual placements that we discussed. And if you want to test automatic placements and it's working very well, test it. But other than that, we need to say what is good and what is bad in a technical level always. In any case, this is why you should use only Facebook and Instagram feeds and stories placements. Hit the like button if you liked the video and subscribe if you want to see more in the future. If you feel like it, leave your questions below with the hashtag AskConstantinos and your question might be featured in a future video. And don't forget that if you want to learn more about Facebook ads, you can read my book or check my courses. Links are below in the description. Don't forget Instagram, I'm answering a lot of questions there every day. Until we meet again, be creative and be consistent.